Alright, Kirby fans, you're in luck. Today I brought my Avalir to use here. I can't imagine I would get anything really good up since I just vacuumed last week, but I'll show off anything that is worth showing, if it's worth showing. Might even include a bag change, but that's if I pick up enough. Let's go. dirt I got up. Not all of this is from just today. In fact, most of this dirt's from before today, from me using it. This is still my first red bag in this. But so far, like I predicted, we got up some hair, but we didn't get up much. Yeah, we didn't get up much, just like I predicted. Because I mean, I just vacuumed here last week, so we didn't get up. We got up something. I can tell we got up something, but we didn't get up everything. But I may show a bag change later, so yeah. And that's why, I mean, I know you guys enjoy sanitary bag dumps, but Kirby fans needed a video, and I knew I wasn't going to get up much, so there you have it. Alright, we're going to replace the disposable bag inside my Kirby Avalir. It's not completely full, but there's some debris on the sides, and it's like about halfway full, like across, and there's some stuff up on the sides up here, so it's like 3 out of 5 amount of full. So, and the reason why I like to replace these bags before they completely fill up is the airflow is more reduced to a point. Well, that's actually second. Really, unless it's all German Shepherd hair and you're if you fill up your bags fast and it's like German Shepherd hair mostly every once a month, then I would fill it up to the full line. But if it's been like several months and the bag's like halfway full or more, then I usually replace it anyway, because it has a whole bunch of dust and stuff in it already, and the bag's worn out. Disposable bag's probably worn out by then. And plus, I've seen these Kirby straps, more than one of them. These Kirby straps, these bag straps tend to break on some Kirbys, and I think one reason why is because a lot of folks, they'll fill up their Kirby too much with heavy debris and like a brick here, and then it gets too heavy for this strap to hold, so then the bag just breaks off the strap or something, and then they can't fix it. Then they need like a new outer bag or whatever, so and plus I think it wears out these outer bags somewhat, so I usually don't fill up my bags all the way just because it's easier on the outer bags. And after a good chunk of months, especially using it, I mean, you guys can see inside the bag has plenty of dust in the pores, and it's like 3/5 full to the full line. So yeah, a little over halfway full. Got like 2/5 left, but there we have it. So Kirby Avalir bag change. Thanks for watching this Kirby Avalir vacuuming. Hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for more videos.